What up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Red Eyes. If you guys are new here, please click that subscribe button down below if you guys enjoy the content. For more content, let me know in the comment section below anything that you want to see. If you're here today, you guys are here for an unboxing of my new 3060 Ti from Gigabyte, as well as the installation process. So if you guys need any help or you have any questions, drop it in the comment section and I'll help you the best that I can. But for now, let's get right in. Okay guys, so the main things that actually stand out to me on this box, overall it's very nice. It does have the OC edition, which is overclock. OC means overclock. And then what's new to me, going from a 1660 Super to a 3060 Ti, I know, crazy upgrade. Ray tracing and DLSS. And ray tracing, from my understanding, basically helps with rendering, to help with, like, you know, reflections and shadows, so that makes the overall game look a lot better, as well as DLSS, which helps with displaying new frames at a higher resolution, which also makes the game look a whole lot better. This GPU also comes with RGB Fusion 2.0, something else that I'm very familiar with from my previous GPU. Very nice when it comes to the RGB if you want to put different you know, effects or colors on your thing. It looks like it has a little bit of RGB right here on the Gigabyte symbol as a protection plate in the back. This GPU also comes with 3 fans, so instead of 2 fans, I'm going to be having 3 fans now, which is pretty dope. So if you guys happen to look into this as well, at least you know that your cooling is going to be on point. Heat pipes also help with preventing overheating and, you know, keeping those temps at a good level. Let's actually get this unboxed. Let's see what we got here. Just a little bit of damage, I guess, during transit. No big deal though. So I'll write this right out. The Gigabyte symbol on it. So first thing we're going to be looking at when we take this out is, comes in a nice protective plastic. Comes with a little graphics card quick guide, so if you guys need any help with this, I'm sure you can use that right out. My oh my, that is beautiful. So it looks like you only have one cable which is your power cable, which goes right here, and then basically it's just gonna go in like this, and then that's where you put your clip right back here. So I'm gonna show you guys that now. So let's get this monster installed, baby. When you come over here, here is where the actual slate will go in, so you'll kind of push that right in. And then here you have to clip it just like that. It doesn't take any force hardly at all. You just touch it and boom, it clicks right in. Alright guys, so just to walk you through what exactly I just did. So I had to take off these 2 screws right here. All you need is literally a Phillips. It can't be too big or obviously you won't get the screw. I need to take those 2 off to get the GPU off the bracket and obviously get this one back onto the bracket. Once I got it back in there, made sure that you click that little clip back there. You see the little black piece, you just make sure that's clipped in. Give it a little tug, make sure it's not super wiggly, which it's not. Plug in this power piece and then you're good to go. Alright guys, so everything is back in place. Screws are good, all the power cables are on. Always remember, quick tip, make sure that you always have power off when you do stuff like this. But since now we're ready to get this going, power on. The sound of that wind force is absolutely incredible. Somebody's ringing my bell? Be right back.
A few moments later.
And there you guys have it. Like I said, if you have any further questions, I know I didn't go so in depth, but I just kind of wanted to unbox this and allow you guys to enjoy while I installed it. But if you want more details and I'll make additional videos, just let me know. In the comment section below, please give me all the feedback necessary. Drop a like if you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys continue to have a blessed rest of your December, because it is almost New Year's. Peace out. See you guys on the other side. Much love.